All right, well, this thing's all done except for the roof. I just put this stuff on it. Wood-rich timber oil. This is clear. Kind of sucks, the lighting sucks underneath this red tint, but check it out. It looks freaking amazing. Like that black cherry just, wow. And you can tell, like, just look there and then look in there. That's what the cherry, I didn't put anything on the inside where the rabbits are. But yeah, that's unstained, stained. Holy hell. I am going to be in some serious trouble, people. Serious trouble. Because when the wife comes out and sees this one ain't staying here. This ain't for our rabbits. This is for somebody else's rabbits. Wow. Holy crap, does it look good. I usually don't try to pat myself on the back, but damn, this thing is nice. I mean to tell you, this is freaking five-star rabbit hutch. I even timber oiled that bark up there, hoping it'll stay. I don't know if it will or not. It's not like a shellac, but it's worth a shot. Damn, it looks good. I cannot believe how nice this looks. Peace.